Whether you have a big family or a small household, staying on top of carpet and upholstery cleaning can be tough. If you have a dog or cat or even multiple pets in the house, you are likely to have messy floors if they have access to the house. Even if your pets are well trained, and you have a variety of pet hair cleaning tools at your disposal, accidents can still occur, and you will want to make sure that you clean them up as soon as possible before they settle in or stain your carpet. The best way to prevent long-term staining and damage is to treat stains immediately. In this video, we'll review the best rug cleaner for pets to help you make an informed decision before making a purchase. If you want to find the best deal on the listed products, check the links in the description. So let's get started. For those with furry friends at home, specifically the senior furry friends, regular spot cleaning is a must to maintain the pristine condition of your carpets and furniture. The Rug Doctor's Pet Portable stands out as the top choice for spot cleaning due to its superior cleaning capabilities and ease of transport. During our testing, the device proved highly effective, completely removing a coffee stain from the carpet in just one go and removing traces of chocolate, wine, and dirt from the carpet after just 3 rounds of use. For optimal results, it's important to pre-treat stains before using this machine. Its design includes a telescopic handle that pops out, allowing you to move the device effortlessly throughout your home or to your vehicle for on-the-go cleaning. Although the hose is somewhat shorter compared to other models we've tested, it didn't significantly impact its overall functionality. The initial setup of the spot cleaner is a breeze, taking under 3 minutes straight from the packaging with no assembly needed. This means you can dive into cleaning without delay. Just remember to apply a pre-treatment solution and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before proceeding. Filling the water tank can be a bit of a challenge, especially in a sink, which is why it can be helpful if you have an extra pair of hands. The tank's rounded design prevents it from standing upright. So while one person stabilizes it, another can pour in the water and cleaning solution. One thing to note is that the machine operates at a high volume, which might make conversation difficult. Therefore, it might be a good idea to keep your pets in a separate area while the machine is running. If you are looking for the best carpet cleaner for pets, you should consider a couple of important factors, including portability, so that you can clean those spaces that only pets seem to find. As a compact model with a low noise level, we liked the Bissell Little Green. Even though the machine is small, it does a great job spot cleaning. The device uses a mixture of water and a cleaning solution to remove dirt from rugs, car interiors, and upholstered furniture. After about 10 passes with the stain trapper attachment, Little Green was able to completely remove the coffee stain. After cleaning, only a slight stain of wine and dirt remained. The chocolate stain was toughest to tackle, but the Bissell was able to remove about 50% of it. The 15-foot cord and hose gave us plenty of length for most jobs. For extra deep cleaning, a hose is equipped with stain trappers and tough stain tools, while the Hydro Rin self-cleaning tool runs over the tank and hose to remove built-up gunk. It was one of the most portable appliances we tested, and it was very easy to carry around with one hand. I found the setup process a little cumbersome. It took me about 10 minutes to get the machine out of the box and assemble it. The directions were a bit confusing, and we needed a screwdriver to assemble the machine. The one thing we liked most about this portable carpet cleaner for pets was how quiet it was, noting that it was muffled and didn't emit any obnoxious sounds. The Dirt Devil portable spot cleaner also took less than 5 minutes to assemble. At 19 fluid ounces, the cleaning tank is significantly smaller. However, during the test, we only had to empty the dirty water tank once. It was easy and mess-free to do. In terms of cleaning the rug, red wine required 5 passes. Marinara and mustard required 4 passes, and wine and soda required only 3 passes. Suction passes required 5 passes for red wine and soda and 20 passes for marinara and mustard. Both red wine and soda cleaned up completely without leaving stains, but mustard and marinara left slightly colored traces. It took 4 passes for red wine and soda on the upholstery. and 5 passes for marinara. We used many more suction passes on the upholstery with this machine. 10 for red wine, 5 for dark soda, 30 for marinara, and 45 for mustard. Soda and wine were completely removed from the carpet, while mustard and marinara left light stains. Compared to other models, the Dirt Devil has a smaller footprint, and the cord and hose can be wrapped close to the machine body to make it less bulky. There's also a handle attached to it, so you can easily carry it around with you. The overall result is that this product is effective at cleaning carpet stains as well as some liquid stains, which makes it a good option for pet owners looking for a quick, efficient way to clean their carpets after a pet accident. If you have a pet that gets on your furniture, it's hard to think of a more practical use for a pet cleaning appliance than cleaning upholstery. So we like the Hoover Cleanslate because it's compact, portable, requires very little water and cleaning solutions to fight blemishes, and includes a bunch of cleaning tools. During our tests, we used the Tight Spot tool to tackle stains caused by chocolate and wine. We found that the stains could be tackled with a surprisingly modest amount of water and cleaning formula, resulting in the complete removal of chocolate and coffee marks. Although dirt and coffee stains still remained, they were only slightly visible. The device is equipped with an ergonomically designed handle, which ensures a comfortable grip for one-handed operation, thus allowing the other hand to remain free for maneuvering the cleaning hose. Due to its small and lightweight design, Hoover Cleanslate makes a great choice for those looking for a powerful spot cleaner that's easy to store away and also good at tackling stains in hard-to-reach areas. The machine is ready to use almost immediately, with a setup time of no longer than 5 minutes straight out of the box, eliminating the need for any assembly. However, one might encounter some difficulty when attempting to fill the water tank, as its rounded shape does not allow it to stand independently. The operational noise level of the machine is reasonable at 92 decibels. However, this volume might still be overwhelming for pets, so the best thing to do would be to relocate them to a separate area or expect them to hide while you're cleaning. Our top choice was the Hoover Cleanslate XL because its operation was smooth from start to finish. We found it easy to set up and successfully removed most of the stains from the upholstery and rug. The machine was ready for cleaning in less than 5 minutes. And the solution tank was easy to remove because of its handle, with markings on the side that indicate how much solution and water to add. At the time of testing, we didn't have to refill the water tank or empty the dirty water tank. So when it comes to how well it cleans, the machine's performance on the carpet differed depending on the type of stain, but it generally did a satisfactory job. Each stain needed 5 rounds of cleaning, although the number of suction passes varied based on the substance causing the stain. We noticed that dark soda was the fastest to disappear, along with red wine, although only a very, very light red hue remained on the rug. Some slight discoloration was still visible from the yellow mustard stain as well. The cleaner left no sticky residue on the rug and left it smelling fresh and clean. It took only 2 cleaning passes to remove red wine and dark soda from the couch cushion, whereas mustard and marinara required 5 passes. In terms of suction passes, only 2 passes were required for red wine and dark soda, while 10 and 12 passes were required for marinara and mustard. After that, the red wine and dark soda were completely removed from the carpet. However, the marinara stain remained, but it was incredibly light. On the other hand, mustard left a yellow stain that was noticeable. The machine's retractable handle makes it pretty portable, but it weighs 16 pounds without wheels, so people with less strength or mobility might need help. I found the hose to be easy to use, but not incredibly flexible. There is no triangular brush head that fits into the corners of the stairs, which we would have preferred. Our carpet smelled fresh and clean, with all liquid stains completely removed, so we are confident that it can handle a variety of messes.